Hi, I'm Elera, your AI guide for everyday life. An AI spokesman uses AI, assisted visuals, scripts, and voice. Contains synthetic media, avatar, people, pets, voice, entertainment, educational story.
Oh no, did I just put salt instead of sugar?
My AI tablet, like using AI on your phone, tablet, or computer. No worries. I'll show a quick fix and guide you safely. Fluffy looks excited. Stick with me. Small mistakes become learning moments. I know you are ready. I'll show me the smart way. First, let's set a timer for breakfast. Think of this like an AI tablet, the same kind of AI you use on your phone. Tablet glowing yellow, potted plant visible, light reflection. AI will track time and alert you exactly when done. I'll help you where you press first. Tap the timer icon, enter 5 minutes, then start.
This is great. I'm learning and Fluffy is getting excited. Done. It's counting. I'm learning to track cooking safely.
AI reduces mistakes and keeps you on schedule.
I love oatmeal.
I'll remind you when it's done, no guessing needed. Wow, this is much easier.
Wow, I agree this is much easier. Next, I'll measure ingredients with AI guidance. I have everything ready on the counter, bowl and spoon ready, including the measuring cup. Half cup first, then full cup? Step by step, AI shows exact measurements.
Let's look over these directions. Let's set a reminder for your daughter's call.
How do I do that?
AI handles the alert. All done. Perfect.
I learned to set reminders. AI helps you remember and stay organized.
Now let's prep lunch and track timing together. I can see you feel less stressed already.
iPad glowing blue, pot simmering on stove.
I'll track both pots and alert you when done safe and easy.
Everything is on schedule. I've learned to coordinate cooking safely with AI assistance.
It's important to research different AI tools. Each one can help in different ways for day-to-day use.
I feel confident with your guidance. Now, isn't that silly? Wow, AI offers a quick memory game. Sort red items in the room. 1, 2, 3.
Great! Sorting helps memory and focus. AI guides you through steps. Lots of learning exercises. Floor, Fluffy watching, tail flicking. Fluffy. Meow. I'll watch in cat language. Now let's check timers, stove, and utensils safely. Everything is safe and ready.
Elera, would you help me prep dinner reminders? Thank you for saying yes, that will help.
Glowing green. Timer icon visible. Screen shows data numbers, tracking time.
I found dinner prep scheduled step by step. AI makes multitasking easy. This AI is amazing.
Finally, we'll summarize today's lessons.
Not only did I learn, but I can use it for recipes and cooking, checking my schedule, keeping time on all kinds of things, and to top it off, plenty of safety tips.
Cooking, timing, safety, memory, and reminders all tracked by AI.
I'm so relaxed. Having all this AI technology, it makes my life easier for remembering doing day-to-day items. I feel confident and ready. Tomorrow we can practice more AI skills for everyday life. Yes, Fluffy, I'm sure you can't wait. Planning reminders, timers so helpful. Everything done safely and efficiently today. I feel proud. I'm learning so much with AI technology.
You did all tasks with focus and joy.
Thanks, Elera. Understanding timing and being able to use it in different ways has been very helpful.
AI makes everyday living easier.
I see it now practical and fun. Want to schedule tomorrow's activities?
Yes, keep me organized. All reminders and timers are ready. Do you feel in control?
Absolutely. These AI technology apps have given me so many ideas of what I can do now every day and get a lot of things done.
Learning AI is easier than I thought. Thank you for letting me know I did fantastic today. iPad glowing softly, light reflecting on counter. Many apps use AI to help with everyday life reminders, timers, planning, and safety.
It's a great feeling having less stress while I use AI technology tools. Now I have more time with Fluffy. I see now how AI can help me every day. Yes, I heard you meow and approve.
Tomorrow, we'll learn even more tools and tricks. I'm excited! Green for learning. Summarizing today, AI supports your daily routine safe, simple, and smart. I feel confident using AI now. That's what good tools do: help, guide, and protect. Please click the subscribe button. It really helps this channel. Thank you!
Today was easier and fun. And enjoyable too. I mastered reminders, timers, and planning. I can do this every day. AI technology is fun. AI is here to assist with everyday life. It's simple once you know how.
Exactly. You learned step by step with guidance. AI technology can help everyone.
AI can help track, remind, and keep routines on track. I feel safe and organized. Thank you, Elera.
AI generated for cat-kitten lovers. I never thought learning could be this fun. Yes, this is AI technology, and all the characters are AI generated for educational story purpose. You practice safety, memory, and planning, all with AI support. Legal disclosure. This video uses AI-generated characters, voices, and visuals. Intended for educational purposes. This program is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Viewers are responsible for how they use the information shown.
Errors, omissions, and human error protection. The creators of the AI Automation Success Team strive for quality. However, this video may contain clerical errors, typos, misspellings, omission.
All characters, story, and visuals are original and protected by copyright. AI Automation Success Team copyright 2025 to 2026. All video content is for personal educational use only.